Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet again, another video. This time, unboxing video and review. This yet again from Loy at Your. So, without further ado, let's get this unboxed. So this actually turned up not long ago, which is I think this delivery took less than a week to actually turn up through UPS, which is pretty good. Which is the delivery system that Loy's been working with now for the past couple of months since the lockdown. So yeah, right, okay, so as always, quite a bit of tape just to make sure it's all packed safely. Right, let's move this down because it's a big box anyways. So, okay, so as soon as we open the bag or box, we have a white bag. We'll come to that in a minute. But we have two sets here. Now these I won't be building myself. These are for my other half because she likes these. But we have Pokemon, Eevee, and Pikachu set for A0101 and A0102. So they're the Pikachu and Eevee set as well. From Keep Play. Next set we have is this one. Now this one is a re-release, and it is the release of the Emerald Knight, which you can just about see. If I just open this up, take the book out. Get into it. Packed pretty well actually. There we go. Right, okay, so like I said, this is from King, which is another name for Lepin. This one's set number 91005 of the Emerald Knight. Lego did release this one many years ago, but it's now become a rare set. So yeah, if you want this set, best bet is to go to Loy. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go to it. This I've seen going on eBay for around £400, or anything from £400 upwards. This set is about £50. So it's quite a lot cheaper for people that actually want to get this set. But as always, you get the instructions, colour called out. You get the stickers as well. So yeah, that's that one. Okay, let's have a look. What is this one? It's all bags down here. Oh yeah, this one is a new set as well. It's by a company called Sixsix, and it's an Optimus Prime of 2,700 pieces, I think it is. Oh yeah, 2,700 pieces, set number 661. Now the height of him is around 44 centimeters. They did release a Gundam RX-78, I think it was, but that's about 66 centimeters, and that was by 18K. So this one would actually go standing next to the Gundam set. Now with this one, obviously in the box is just the bags, the parts bags, but they all come in numbers and everything like that, which is pretty good. So we've got the Optimus Prime, and then last one in this, like I said, in this white bag. As well, if I can find the instruction books. Oh no, the instruction book is in here as well, I think. Let's just have a look. this the one? I think so. Yeah, and there's no picture on the instruction book, but this is the Lego UCS X-Wing, the Red 5 Starfighter. Set number 81041. I think there's 1,600, a total of 1,600 pieces. Instructions are pretty clear on what you can do, of what you have to build up and stuff like that. You get a sticker, one that says it says Star Wars, but I'll probably have a look online see if I can actually find the proper sticker itself. T65 X-Wing Starfighter gives you all the information, and then you've got the little stickers that you need to put onto it as well. So yeah, and then obviously when you're done, you get your usual pictures of what it looks like. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to split this up into 3 separate videos now. Obviously this one will be the unboxing of everything. This will then be of one set, which would probably be the Emerald Knight or something like that. I don't know at the moment. But the next 2 videos will be of the other 2 sets, which I'll do separately, just to sort of spread the build length out a bit longer and make these videos a little bit shorter than usual. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it right here at the moment. I'm going to make a choice on what I'm going to build. As you know, with having Lego and you have multiple Lego sets, you can't really choose what to build. You want to build them all together at one go. But with me doing this sort of thing, I'll do them separately, just to make it easier for you guys, so you know what's going on and everything like that. So yeah, without any further ado, I'm going to pause the video from here, and I'm going to make a start on one of these sets. So see you in a bit. Bye bye. Okay guys, and now we're back, and as you can see, I've got this one done. I built Optimus Prime. I thought it'd be the better one to do at the moment. Now, he is a bit of a difficult build. Yeah, like I said in the instructions, 2,700 pieces. The instructions are very well, neatly laid out. I think I'll show you the book at the start of the video. Now, this has taken me, this is the next day of me recording this video as well. So this has taken me virtually a whole day to actually build Optimus all together. In the book, there are 2 lots of separate bags. There's A bags and there's B bags. The A bags are labelled numbers 1 to 10, and then B bags are numbered 1 to 8, I think it was. With the stages, there's a total of 143 pages, and there's 584 stages as well. Now, some of these parts I've had to glue, particularly under here. There's some clip parts that join up against his legs, just here. Now, because of the weight that is actually on from his torso down to his legs, it kind of splits the legs apart, which therefore isn't good. The weight on the clips doesn't really help, so I've had to glue those pieces. I know with Lego you shouldn't really glue. I do go against gluing, but that's the only way that I could actually stop the legs from falling apart or anything like that. But yeah, like I said, with the bags, they are numbered, as you can see, letters B, A and B, just to make it a bit more easier. But if I can just move him down slightly without breaking him, that is the whole lot built of him. Hang on, he is fully articulated as well, so you can move his arm and you can move his legs, but I'm not gonna move him out of position at all, just purely to the fact that the way I've got him is just perfectly balanced. I just like the way that he is actually built. I mean, I think I've done a video before. I've done another Optimus Prime, but it was like a little bust instead. They are sort of similar scales together, but out of the two, I prefer this one. You can actually see more detail. You've got more detail into the head, the torso, and everything else. I will just say that if you will get it, I would say it's more of a adult build than a younger age, purely to the fact the amount of pieces and parts there are, and the way that the instructions are laid out as well. So yeah, I really enjoyed this build. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down below in the description leading to this, to Loy's group, and to his website as well, so you can go and buy it yourself or something like that. But yeah, this is basically what it is. Optimus Prime. If you're a good Transformers fan, then this would be perfect. This would look perfect on a shelf or on a unit or something like that. But yeah, I've just got to try and figure out where I'm going to put this thing now, because it's bigger than I thought it would be. So I'm going to leave it here from now, and yeah, if you like this video, leave a like rating, leave a little comment or something like that. And if you're new to this channel as well, just leave us click the subscribe button, and also click the notification button. You'll get notified when I post up a new video or anything like that. Any ideas on what you want me to build next, then that would be appreciated. So up until my next video, which will be probably in the next couple of days or something like that, which will be, as I showed you in the beginning of this video, it'll be the X-Wing or the Emerald Knight. One of those two I'll start building them, and obviously, yeah. So up until then, I'll see you later. Bye bye.